Hello viewers, today's video is going to be a big booster to your routine vocabulary. We have come up with names of 15 daily chores that you must know. Do the laundry. Sarah is doing the laundry. I usually do my laundry at weekends. Hang out the clothes. Please hang out these clothes. Maria is hanging out the clothes. Do the ironing or press. He is doing the ironing. He is ironing his clothes. He is pressing his shirt. Fold the clothes. She is folding her trousers. Fold the clothes and put them in this basket. Make the bed. Children should be encouraged to make their beds after getting up. She is making her bed. Dust the furniture. Sam is dusting the sofa. You must dust the furniture at least once a week. Sweep the floor. James is sweeping the floor of his bedroom. I sweep the floor of my shop twice a day. Mop the floor. He is mopping the floor. Please mop the floor again. Vacuum the floor. This floor needs vacuum cleaning. I am vacuuming the floor. To cook the food. My mother is cooking the food for me. She really knows how to cook the food. Knead the dough. Knead the dough lightly. She is kneading the dough for the bread. Beat. He uses a whisk to beat the eggs. Beat the cream until it starts to thicken. Wash the dishes. She is washing the dishes. Her mother asked her to wash the dishes. Water the plants. She likes to water the plants. It is the responsibility of the gardener to water the plants every day. Feed the pet. She likes to feed her cat. I daily feed my dog and clean him afterwards. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you would have found it informative and beneficial. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. You can also join us on Facebook and Instagram to enhance your English language skills. You can find links in the description below.